Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a butterfly character. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to draw 2 butterflies today, so make sure you give yourself some space. We're going to come over on this side, and then we'll do another one over here when we're done. Okay, first, we're going to start with the eyes. We're going to do a round shape like that, and then another one behind it. 2 pupils looking to the side, and then 2 eyebrows above. I like to do 2 little lines underneath my eyes, so I'll add one there and one there. That looks great. Next, let's draw the body of the butterfly. Like that, a rounded shape. Let's give our butterfly a little smile, and then a few round lines around the body. Next, let's give our butterfly some wings. So we're gonna start back here behind the eye and come up and down, and then up and back down to the body just like that. Okay, on this side we're gonna do it again and put another wing behind. So we'll start behind this eye and go up and in, and then just a little bump on the back to indicate that wing right there. Perfect. Let's do some shapes inside our wings. There's one there, one here, and over on this side too. One there, and a shape there. Let's give one in the back. Perfect. And there we have our wings. To finish off our butterfly, let's do some arms and legs, and then some details around the body. So here are our little legs. A couple details. Some circles and lines for texture. And there we have our butterfly character. Good job. Okay, before you go, let's draw one more. We're gonna draw a big grumpy butterfly, okay? So let's try it. Over here, we're gonna start with the body this time and do a shape like this and close it off. Once we have our big shape, we're gonna move inside and do a straight line for the start of the eyes. Under the straight line, we're gonna do 2 rounded lines with some lines coming out underneath. We're gonna fill in our pupils looking up, and then another round line with a straight line for the mouth. Here we're gonna add some bumpy teeth, some lines underneath the creases of the mouth, and then a chin line right there. Next, let's add the wings of our butterfly. We're gonna start right back here on the back and go up, and stop there, and then do another little bump right there. We're gonna come back here and do another bump behind this wing, and then a little one right there for the back. Perfect. Let's give some detail to our wings. We'll do a rounded shape there, a little shape, a rounded shape there, and another little shape. We'll add one more on that back wing. Okay, let's give this butterfly some antennas. So it's gonna come up and twist like that. We'll do another one. And then we'll give our grumpy butterfly some legs down here like this, and some details around. Perfect. And there we have another grumpy butterfly. Yay! Thank you so much for drawing with me today. You did such a good job following along. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!